This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Matt Hardison. Elegance and sophistication radiate from every corner of this flawlessly restored Olde Towne home. Hand-carved moldings, gleaming wide plank hardwood floors, brass-capped iron railings and bronze gas lanterns are just a few of the lavish features scattered throughout the 4 levels of living space. The fully finished basement boasts exposed brick, 2 fireplaces, wet bar, full bath and office. The main level features magnificent formal living and dining rooms with palatial 14-foot ceilings plus half bath and eat-in kitchen. The kitchen overlooks a brick paver backyard with pool and established landscaping. The second floor offers 2 bedrooms and hall bath with custom tiled shower. A finished attic features the 3rd bedroom and ample storage. The location is equally impressive. Steps from the ferry dock at North Landing and walking distance to Olde Towne shops and restaurants. Maintained to the highest standards, including